Are these not the greatest looking chicken tenders you've ever seen? Do you want to know how to make them? Yes! Well, today is your lucky day, because I'm going to show you how. Let's go. First step is to prepare our chicken. It's all cut into even little strips, as you can see, the same thickness. This is to ensure that they all cook at the same time, that none are overcooked or that there's none undercooked, and that you get a nice crispy coating on the outside and soft, juicy, succulent, tender chicken on the inside. Now add some flour and some corn flour into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of Cajun spice and give it all a mix. Yeah, I think we're going to need a bigger bowl. That's better. In a bowl, I put an egg yolk in with some buttermilk and just whisk it all together until it's combined. Then I'm going to take my chicken strip and coat it in the egg yolk and buttermilk mixture. Place it into the flour, tap off any excess, place it back into the egg again for double dipping, put it in the flour and set it down. Now that the chicken has gone from the flour to the egg and buttermilk mixture back into the flour, this is how they look. And now it's time to get them over this way and start the frying. So today I'm going to shallow fry my chicken as opposed to deep frying. Now in the pan, as you can see, I have it just underneath half full and I'm bringing it up to 180 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal temperature to shallow fry because the outside will go crispy and the inside will cook through and stay nice and soft and tender and juicy. When your oil is hot enough, place in your chicken pieces, taking care not to overload the pan as you don't want your temperature to drop down too much. Fry them on each side for about 3 or 4 minutes or until they have a golden brown tinge on the outside. Then simply take them up, drain them on some kitchen paper and serve them as you wish. No words needed. Try them yourself. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.